All right, what's going on, y'all? It's up Buck Carolina Crazy Outdoors, and I'm gonna tell you right now, we are about to do some daggone southern dog driving.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm tired, but I'm ready.
Oh, God, I'm tired too.
So tired.
Jeez. Yeah, we're tired. But anyway, we'll leave it at that. But I'm tired now, man. We jacked up. You know, we're hunting with it's no club land we're hunting. It's called a special hunt. I don't even know where the hell we're at.
I have no idea.
We just followed somebody.
I just drove. That's it.
Yeah, but this is Miss Kenzie. I know y'all seen her on my other videos. There you are. Got your little, what do you call this?
The hot pants.
Hot pants?
They're still from last time, too.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. My nerves are gonna be shot. But anyway, this is a special hunt. I think we're like a bunch of landowners, allows them to hunt land they don't ever really get to hunt until like the 1st. Oh. So it's New Year's. Happy New Year's, people.
Happy New Year's, yep. 2020.
Is exactly right. But we're gonna see what happens. It's still dark. We're sitting right now in the middle of a bunch of dog drivers, and they're getting all their stuff ready. And we're gonna find out where we're gonna go. But we'll see what happens, man. Stay tuned. Hopefully we at least get to hear some good running, because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about.
All about. Tell me, you know what? You experienced your first dog drive with me. What was it? 3 weeks ago? 4 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was up with that? You like it?
Dude, it's amazing. What are you talking about? It's like one of the best times I've probably had hunting in a long time.
Really?
It's different than still hunting, that's for sure. And them dogs, they love it.
It'll get your blood bubbling.
They absolutely love it. I'm just like, whoo, my heart gets to pounding. You know? It's a good time though.
Dang, that's crazy. Yeah. Well, we're actually gonna plan on some fishing trips.
We should.
Yeah. Definitely
should. Dolphin season starts in about March, April. It'll be fun going offshore.
Yeah, that's true. It'll be a good time. I know you like big time the saltwater fishing, and you like one of these little bikini gals you see on Instagram.
Love it. Sun's out, buns out.
Sun's out, buns out.
Sun's out, buns out.
Well, my bun ain't out when the sun's out.
My bun ain't out.
Nah. Well, we're gonna get it planned. And like I said, y'all definitely catch all the action, because you just heard her. When the sun's out, the bun's out.
Sun's out, bun's out. Except this morning it's cold.
Well, it's cold. Yeah, sometimes the bun's is out, even when it's cold. It's all about the situation.
Depends what it is.
But anyway, y'all stay tuned. Like I said, we everything's getting organized right now, and they trying to plan everything out right now. We just sitting here waiting. We'll come back to you in a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna get him on video. That's my cousin TC. He's camera shy, so he haul butt.
Hang on. Hey TC, smile.
Finally, there he is. So you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh yeah, it's about to go down.
Don't drive on the green grass or the
hayfield.
Don't
drive on the grass.
Don't drive on the grass.
And if the farmer gets mad, you know what you gotta do.
I gotta sweet talk him.
Sweet talk him.
Show him the hot pants.
Oh Jesus. You're gonna make him have a damn heart attack. Hot pants are these.
Hot pants. Yeah.
That's the only Hunter Orange leggings
I have ever seen.
I've ever seen.
Thank
You're right.
God, I'm telling you.
And it's so cool that it's actually that orange. It ain't like some stupid orange.
It literally is not like a stupid orange. Oh.
So somebody's back.
Getting on his coveralls.
That's right there. I ain't got nothing on, and you putting coveralls on.
Hey, I can't tell you, grown man, you got to dress your own self.
Now I feel like I'm underdressed.
That's funny. All right, we're following him on back there. He said we're gonna be in a good spot. We're gonna be in the back of this hayfield area. Those of y'all that dog driving all that know that, I mean, that damn deer run across the hayfield in a heartbeat, you know. But
we can get it.
That's right. I'm hoping Kenzie can get on something. You know, we went to Georgia and hunted.
Yeah.
And it was awesome.
It was amazing. But it's part of hunting, you know. And them dogs they were tearing it up. They love it.
They did, man. It was on like Donkey Kong. But when they turned them dogs out, they were running like hell, wasn't they?
Oh yeah, on like mud like a pig. That's it, man. They're making me grin like possum eating sweet potatoes. I was loving it though. I'm excited. I can feel it in my bones. It's gonna be a good one.
I hope so, man.
It's gonna be a good one.
If anything, we're gonna have a good time trying.
As always.
That's what you gotta do.
Hey, it's hunting, not killing.
That's it. Oh. All right, y'all. We back here now, and Kenzie, it's looking good, ain't it?
Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
We just got to make sure we stay off the what?
The green grass.
Yeah, the green grass.
Right there. Don't drive in the green grass. I like how he tells you don't drive on the grass. And I'm well, we're following you.
Yeah, we're fine. Wherever you drive, I'm
I'm
driving.
driving.
All right,
All
here we
right.
are.
We're
Listen,
doing it.
we're freaking doing it up.
We're doing it up.
I am about to freeze my butt off.
God, it's cold. I should have wore 2 pairs of hot pants. Not one.
Listen, if I had a pair, I'd try to squeeze in them somehow. They'd probably
I want to see it. I want to see it. That's gonna be the next bet.
I'd be damn.
God damn it.
I don't lose bets.
Uh-huh.
You seen what happened to the last one lost a bet?
I did, but there's
Okay.
always a first time for everything.
You got to prove that. But anyway, my cousin TC, he is a couple hundred yards in the woods right there, about 250, 300 yards. And y'all mark my word, he's gonna kill the damn deer. He's gonna kill the deer, because he is very good. I got to talk good about him. I mean, he knows where the deer is going. But anyway, he's got us in a good spot too. This is a beat down path. You know, there's a head of a pond right here, some heavy trails.
Oh yeah.
So I'm pretty excited about, you know, what might happen. So we'll just see. But y'all wish us luck, and hopefully we'll at least hear some good running.
I'm sure we will. I have no doubt about that.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, it is what it is.
Part of it.
Yep.
It's part of it.
It's nice and cold, that's for sure.
It's crisp.
I don't know if you could hear it not on the camera yet. They're burning one up. We done heard what, 10 shots in 5 minutes?
Easy. Not even 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Not even. Shit, it was like 3 of them in about, what, 3 seconds?
Yeah. I mean, they're burning the deer up right now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't know if they're coming our way, but it just sounds good.
It sounds like it's,
Yeah.
I know it's like they're right behind us too. I know it is cold. I have to wait for him to come head on.
Bring it on.
Bring it on.
Hey,
It's like-
get down. Hold on a second. Be still.
Is it not hot? Yeah, it is.
Hold on, be still. All right, do it. Bam, baby. Well, what's up?
Oh, Happy New Year. That's
God,
what's
oh
up.
Moses, I'm telling you right now, there's dogs running
Everywhere.
everywhere. My cousin over there, he's hollering like, hey! And I mean, it's just like shots and shots and shots. It's just
Oh, yeah.
crazy. We done I seen a deer over there where he was at, he couldn't see it. I seen another doe go across the field, she was too far. This buck about run over us. And God, dog, who killed that one?
I think that was you, buddy. I think that was you. We shot like the same time, but I think I was like a second before you. He was still running. I was like, shit.
Yeah,
Shit.
we said, we were like kneeling down on the ground, because I got down because it put him out of eye level with us, coming over that little hill right there. And whenever he topped that hill, I said, wait. It was like duck hunting.
It was.
And I was like, all right, let's do it.
Blast him.
Yeah.
Man.
My cousin, I told you my cousin was going to kill him. Damn, we didn't kill him.
Hey, you know, that's all right, though.
Yes.
Let's see if we can keep it rolling.
Yeah, I want nothing to come across that field.
Oh, yeah. It's going to happen.
People think that, let me tell y'all, the white hat, I'm going to go ahead and cover this real quick.
Go for
People's
it.
like, why you got a white hat on? Let me tell you something. When them deer hauling butt like that,
They don't give a shit.
they running. That deer about run over us with that white hat
Mm-hmm.
on. I mean, now if you sitting over here and you got 50 people standing here and they all dressed in white, that might be alarming. But
Maybe.
that deer comes straight to us. I mean, he was looking in our direction the whole time. So
Oh, yeah.
you can't argue with it, because we got a white hat and a dead deer right
Hey,
here
you
on
know, I
top of
told
us.
you it was my
What?
lucky hat.
You did tell me
I
that.
did
That's
tell
one
you
of your
that.
sponsors.
That's it. It's my lucky hat. See, I wore the blues last time, and we didn't kill nothing.
We got close and didn't make it
Got close,
happen.
didn't make it happen. So I broke out the big guns, hot
Right.
pants and lucky hat.
But anyway, this has been a blast. It really has. So
Oh yeah.
we got a long time. There's dogs running everywhere. So we'll sit here and
Long
wait until
time.
they come back across.
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
Oh,
Hopefully
yeah.
the same situation
Yeah,
happens.
yeah, it'd be nice.
Absolutely.
Be nice. So here's what we got. That dog's running that deer. So the deer kind of went behind TC, and we saw the deer good, and it was a doe, but he just
He don't know
called me.
that.
He don't know that, because I told him it was one of the biggest bucks I ever seen in my life. So
We can see his rack from 100
yeah,
yards away.
I saw his rack 100 yards away, 200 yards away. He's like, oh my God, are you for real? And I'm like, well, of course I'm for real.
We wouldn't lie to you.
Yeah, he won't know until he watches the video that I was lying the whole time. How about that? Is
How
that not
about
good
that?
or what? Bam! Hello. Bo, it was another big buck. I mean, I don't know how you didn't see the deer. It went right there where you were standing the first time and kind of angled off to the right. Another big buck.
Cute.
No, it kind of veered off to the right. Kind of went toward that white house over there. Well, whatever that is. Do what now?
I can't see.
Well, Bo, I don't know what to tell you, but I tell you, I saw.
It come like from those pines straight to where I was at, and then went towards that white building.
Yeah, right where you were standing at.
Absolutely.
The first monster buck I saw went down there where you were at. That's why you moved there.
Yeah.
And the second big buck come out of there, ran right where you were standing.
You would have a great
He
shot.
would have run over you, Bo.
Mm-hmm.
And is that what them dogs are running up there?
I think so.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, God, no.
So he went away from you.
Yeah.
I got you. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, he towards us.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know where to go then. I don't know where to stand.
I wouldn't move. I'd stay right here if I was you.
Okay.
All right.
All right, bye.
I can't with you.
Let me tell you something. Sometimes joking is the funnest part of hunting. It really is. Because I'm telling you right now, he's just thinking his mornings went to crap because two big bucks done got by him.
You're gonna be pissed off the whole day. Damn it.
Oh, man.
He's gonna be so mad.
Oh, yeah. All right, we're going to quiet down because, like I said, we got two packs running right there, so we're going to quiet down again and see what happens. If you wonder what's going on now, well, it's about 40 degrees and the wind's blowing about 30 mile an hour, and I'm going to tell you right now, buddy, I am freaking cold.
Bone chilling.
Yeah, oh my Lord, my feet feels like ice cubes.
I can't feel my feet.
It's crazy. But the dogs have done got quiet now, so we said, you know what? Instead of standing here and freezing our butt off in this field, we're gonna go sit in the daggone truck and get warm. And I'm gonna tell you right now,
Absolutely.
It ain't nothing better than getting in the truck that's warm inside with that sun. Oh my God,
you
yeah.
gotta turn it on.
Didn't even have to cut it on.
Just get me out of the wind.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Exactly.
Oh,
Exactly.
looks like they're done.
So
They done got him in one. Look at that.
what is it? Oh, he's got him a nice buck. Let's go look at it.
Yeah.
He got a nice buck. Oh yeah, that's a nice one there.
That's real nice.
Deer was running everywhere this morning.
They were. That boy right there, he shot about 7 or 8 times, killed him. Not bigger buck than this.
Bigger one?
Bigger than that, Bobby.
It's nice there.
Yeah.
It's good. There's another cyclone.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Mhm.
That's a big one.
Yep. We're going to get this deer I killed. I went and picked TC up in his truck. He walks up by the truck like, I'm going to get out. No. He's getting on the tailgate. I wasn't getting out this truck. That's a fact.
I don't care
Jack.
if this is your truck. I ain't getting out.
He's
I'm
just
warm.
and you can look. He's right there on the tailgate right there. So, what you think?
I think he's probably pretty cold.
I know. And we're warm.
Nice and warm.
All right, as you can see, I have officially filled my last tag, butt-wise. I've got, I think I got all my doe tags still left, but I cannot shoot another buck. And boy, I went out with a bang. Yes, sir, buddy. But you know what? That's part of it. Nice little buck right there. I think they, somebody else killed a big buck. There's been, I know I've heard 200 shots,
Oh,
easy.
Oh, there's more.
Bam, bam. They're running. I mean, this is crazy. It's like a dang dove shoot. So, you liking this?
Loving it.
Well, I don't think I'm shooting no more. Kenzie's having trouble with a shotgun, so now she's taking over mine. Hopefully you can pull the trigger better than I can.
Hopefully, we'll see. Maybe, I mean, pull the trigger is great. I just don't want to knock off an antler or anything.
Yeah, it happens. We'll see what happens. Oh my Lord, what have we here?
Yeah, I wasn't running anything.
You just loving on the dogs.
Just loving on him.
Good God.
Yeah, we don't need some lovins. Huh.
I guess.
Every dog needs some loving.
That dog there has been wide open, buddy. You can tell
He's wore out.
been a long season for him.
He's so cute. He's just like, oh, love me. As I tell you, just let me just be covered in dogs.
Oh yeah.
Cover me in dogs.
As you can see, we done went from deer hunting to playing with dogs. Well, she's playing with dogs.
It needed some scratches.
You never know who you're gonna run into in these parts of the country.
Man.
Damn Corley right there.
Linebacker though.
Hey, that guy right there, wild man.
Wild Man.
Yes.
That's your nickname now, Wild Man.
All right, y'all. We're about to get the second drive going. We at the behind I don't know if you can see him, but my God, what a convoy.
There's so many of them.
Jesus grief.
How many trucks do you think there is?
Well, I know there was 30 packs of dogs. So, that's a lot of dogs.
That's a lot of dogs.
Jeez
That's a
Louise.
lot of dogs.
Yeah, it is.
They're all so cute. Hold on.
Oh my goodness.
Pet them all.
Jesus. Anyway, so we had to do the second drive. I think they killed, God,
It was like 20.
I think it was like, yeah, I think it was 15 or 20 on the first drive. I got a picture of one of the 8 points that was killed, really nice buck. And I know there was another big 8-point kill. Give me the does. So these fellas really have some damn dogs and know how to get the job done. Cause Tara and I, man, they ran and they ran and they ran this morning. I wish I had my other camera I could zoom in to line the damn trucks out there with dog boxes.
So many.
I know it.
Probably about 20 trucks, you think,
Yeah.
in front of us.
Yep.
And there's still more coming too.
I know it. It's crazy.
It's awesome.
You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna put this camera down. Why don't wreck us?
All right. Sounds
All right.
good.
Yep. All right, y'all. We just got in here in old TC. We going back in BLF. Man, I don't know where we at.
No idea.
I guarantee you, I got a feeling we're gonna get on some deer though.
Oh yeah. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now.
Oh, a kid in the candy store. I'm all about
ready
some
for
candy.
it. Give me some candy.
Oh yeah.
Come on with it.
All right. TC just brought us in here on the second drive. It looks freaking good in here.
So good.
Like 3 foot tall
Prime time.
broom sage and small pine scattered out through here. We're like in a funnel. There's a big cotton field over there. We're kind of in a funnel to them big woods. So hopefully when they drive in there, they'll may slip out of here, run through here, whatever the case may be. But as you notice, she's holding my shotgun. I don't give up my shotgun very often. So I'm stuck with this gun.
One pop
That
shot.
jams up. So I got one shot. And the way my shooting's been going, it ain't been too damn good.
Mine neither, buddy.
I want to see you kill one bad.
I do too.
So,
I want to.
yeah.
I want to.
How you know I've had a lot of fun in here because I've seen a lot of people I knowed that I ain't seen in a long
You
time.
know what's funny is I was thinking, I was like, hot damn, how many people do you know?
Yeah,
Like,
no
quite a
shit.
few.
I know it's crazy, but I will say this too. I appreciate everybody watching the videos I'm putting out. Hope y'all enjoying them, and the people that don't get the dog drive, hope y'all enjoy getting to see what it's like, and maybe it'll spark your interest, you know, trying it out, because it's a dang blast. All these idiots just talk about how unethical it is, and just the
Lack of
stupidity.
understanding.
Yeah, it's just crazy. It's one thing to be ignorant, but there's nothing to be stupid. So we talked about that.
We did. Also, don't forget, get your kids out there.
Yeah, exactly.
Kids out there.
Exactly. But anyway, we're gonna hush our mouths now, because me and her, my God, we'll talk. But we're gonna hush our mouths now and see what happens.
This is it.
You ready?
I have a good feeling.
I got
This
freaking
is
good
it.
feeling.
This is a real
Let's
good
see.
one.
We're sitting here talking about all kind of craziness, and they ain't even turned the dogs loose. And we're talking, and I hear something. I'm like, shh, shh, shh. I heard it sound like something coming, and all of a sudden, pow, pow, pow.
Damn TC.
That damn TC is a busted one.
He's probably making up for his lying earlier.
Got jet leg.
The lie he don't know about.
Yeah. Well, look, I'm happy for him now. I'm glad.
Yeah,
I think when TC shoots, it's usually done deal. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you, I ain't even down there, but I'm going
He
to tell
shot
you
something.
the deer's dead. That's a fact.
He done killed it.
That's exactly right. So
Oh yeah.
waiting for him to turn the dogs loose. We'll see what happens. They're running, ain't they?
They're running.
Hey, I think I heard a deer. Be ready.
An anticipation building.
Oh, wait. Let me get closer. Do it.
She got her.
Got him?
Got him. I wasn't expecting how, like, your gun is powerful. And I fell over and then shot again.
Good shooting, by the way.
Go for it. Get it. Yeah, that's gonna be funny to see. Did you just say move it?
They're burning them up, man. Kenzie just shot.
Hey, I seen her squat back.
Yeah. Kenzie we traded shotguns because this one it jammed up at the one shot. And she shot my gun. I had those 3.5-inch shells. And they knocked her on her ass.
Literally.
But hey, she killed him.
Deer down, baby, brown down, baby.
Awesome.
I can't stop here.
All right, Kenzie got her one. She's gonna put the old tag in him.
Put the old tag in.
That's what they say.
Differente. That's funny, man. I'm used to just calling it in, so it don't matter which way. Just put it in and tag it.
Yeah. Stick it together.
Be in there, huh?
Bam.
Bam.
Done.
Tagging it up. And puppy loves. It's puppy loves.
Well, now we'll get yours.
Yep.
Gotta get
Mine ain't
yours.
gonna be quite that easy to get to though.
Oh God. Somehow I feel like I'm gonna wind up dragging a deer a long ways. How was that?
Woo, it felt good. It felt real good. It's gonna feel even better seeing that video of me falling over now.
About to put the old tag on TC's doe. That's a nice doe there. Damn, good God, look at the head on that thing.
Yeah.
What you think, gal?
I think it's been a good damn
Oh
day.
man, what you talking about?
It's been awesome.
I think so too.
How many do you think we've killed?
25.
25?
Somebody, I'm guessing.
That's good.
That's awesome.
Them dogs ran good this evening, I know that.
It's different.
They smoked it up.
Hell yeah. So happy. Happy dogs.
Oh yeah.
Makes me reconsidering the old running. You start working out now, get skinny.
Oh, it's skinny. You're in
Skinny.
perfect shape. Jesus, me and him was the one need to work out.
Get running with the dogs.
That's
See
it.
me running unless something's after me.
All right. We'll start the dragon.